Welcome students. In this video today we are going to learn about combinational circuits. So at first we have to know what is combinational circuits, then we will learn about the working of different combinational circuit. What is combinational circuit? Combinational circuits are those circuits which is made up of different types of logic gates to perform any specific task. Okay, to perform any specific task. So at such we have know that the logic gates is the basic things which we use to define any Boolean expression. So so far we have learned the Boolean expression just to learn how the logic gates are used to do Boolean, convert any Boolean expression using logic gates. Okay, so combinational circuits is also made up of basic logic gates. Okay, the output of any combinational circuit depends upon the values at the input at any given time. The circuit do not make use of any memory or storage device. That means this circuit does not make any use of any computer memory. It does not need the space. Okay, so this is combinational circuit. So if this is a combinational circuit like this way, combinational circuit, then this circuit is made up of different logic gates: AND gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, those gates which you have learned so far. And there must be some input line, any number of input line. Okay, you know that every logic expression there must be some input line and there must have some output line. So output lines, it gives the output of any result. Output may be one single output, maybe two output, it gives the output. Okay, but as far you have done the expression that has no meaning, only you have learned to understand how to represent any Boolean expression using logic gate. But in combinational circuit, there are some circuit which is used for some specific task. Like way, there are half adder. We are going to discuss about every combinational circuit. Half adder, which is used for addition, half adder, full adder, subtractor, half subtractor, full subtractor. So subtractor, then multiplexer, then encoder, decoder, demultiplexer, so these are all combinational circuit, and we are going to learn about each circuit one by one. Okay, now let us start by using half adder. Half adder. Half adder means this is a combinational circuit which is used to add two binary bits. Okay, just mind it. This is a combinational circuit which add two binary bits. Two binary bits means, suppose there may be addition of suppose if we add 0 0, two binary bits, okay, then we get 0 0 means we get two part. One is sum and another is carry. Just watch it very carefully. If we add 0 0, obviously sum is 0. There does not get any carry, so it gives 0 carry. It will not gives any carry, so carry is 0. If we add two bits 0 with 1, okay, then addition is 1, but again it will not generate any carry. Obviously carry is 0. Then if we add 1 with 0, okay, maybe this is 2 bits we need. I have said that this is a combinational circuit which is used to add 2 bits. So obviously 2 bits means AB are 2 bits. Maybe A is 0, B is 0. Sum is 0, carry is 0. A is 0, B is 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1. A is 1, B is 0. Then again sum is 1, carry is 0. If both are 1, then we know that 1 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. Okay, so we have already known this because we know how to add a binary number. So this is our basic table. So now we can represent these operations using truth table like this way. Okay, so these are A and B are input. So every time at first we have to do block diagram. Block diagram means here just we have to show what is input and what is output. So block diagram of half adder is, half adder you should write full form. There are two input line, A and B are input here, and this is the output, sum and carry. So obviously as this is half adder and half adder always use two binary bits, so input line exists, two input lines are there. So AB are input line, and whenever we add two inputs we get two outputs. One is sum and another is carry. So it output is, one is sum, another is carry. As this carry is we get after adding two numbers, we can say it also carry out or C out. Okay, carry out. So this is our block diagram. Now logic diagram. Before logic diagram we have to write the truth table of half adder. Truth table of half adder. What is truth table? So truth table, we know that for every truth table there is must have some input and output. The input is A and B, two inputs are there. So our truth table is input A, input B, and these are input, and for output one we get carry and another we get sum. Okay, so sum, I am writing here S, and carry out or C out. Okay, because this input carry we get after adding two numbers, that's why I am writing here C out. So our input combination obviously for 2 bit 0001 1011. So input 0001 1011. Okay. So 1 whenever we add 2 bits 1 0 0. So 0 0 means sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 1 means sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 0 means sum is 1, carry is 0. And 1 1 means sum is 0, carry is 1. Okay. Now we know that we get the truth Boolean expression from truth table by using min term or max term. So in general we take min term to get the Boolean expression. So here also we need the Boolean expression of. So in order to get the logic diagram of output expression, we need the Boolean expression of sum and carry. So for sum and carry, let us write the Boolean expressions for sum and carry. Let us see. At first sum. Sum is S. So for sum, here are two min term. We know that for 1. So this for 1, input is A. So 0, that means A bar B. 0 1, so A bar B. And for this one, A B bar. Okay. So this expression A bar B plus A B bar is equivalent to X or get expressions. Okay. Now for carry, C out. So C out, there is only one min term, last one, this is 1 1, that means A B. So these are the expressions of sum and these are the expressions of carry. Okay, now let us draw the logic diagram. So our input is, there are two inputs obviously, A, B, and we know for sum is exclusive OR, that means A or B. So A, B, exclusive OR. This is A or B and this is S, sum. Okay. And for carry, AND operations, A, B, this is A, B, C, carry, C out. Okay, so these are the logic diagram of half adder. Clear? So this is block diagram of half adder. This is truth table of half adder. This is Boolean expression sum and carry, and this is logic diagram. So if we create a circuit by using this one XOR gate and one AND gate, we get a half adder which is used to add two binary bits. and we get the output. If input for of A and B, we get the result sum and carry those value which is the results of any 2 bits addition. Okay, so this way, this is the half adder. Clear? In our next video we will learn about full adder.